In this short video, I'm going to be showing you how to add a countdown widget on your home screen on Android. What I'm about to show you might be a little bit different depending on the type of phone you are using, but generally speaking, it should be similar. So once you're on your home page, simply click and hold anywhere on the screen and the menu is going to pop out. What you want to do is click on the widgets button. In my case, it's on the bottom, so I'm going to click on that, and from here what I want to look for is your calendar. In my case, I'm choosing the calendar, the first option right here, and then you can see the first option is obviously countdown 2 times 1. That's how many kind of blocks it's going to take on my screen. So click on that, then click add, and then from here I can tap again and select an event I want to count down to. Now there are preset kind of events that you can choose, like Christmas for example, but you can also add your own if you want, like your birthday or like a holiday or something like that. I'm going Christmas just as an example and going to move that down here, and as you can see the countdown is basically on my screen right now. But let's just suppose that I don't like this layout and I want to change it. So what you want to do is simply hold on to the widget and then click on settings, and from here you can change pretty much everything around the design. Well, there isn't that many things to change, but you get the point. So I can choose white or black, or I can choose transparent, which is actually something that I prefer because it keeps everything very nice and clean. And yeah, that's pretty much everything to know about adding a countdown timer on Android. If you have any question, please let me know in the comments below and I'll be more than happy to help.